What is peat moss?
Peat moss is a natural, organic material harvested from decomposed sphagnum moss and other organic materials in peat bogs.
It is widely used in gardening, horticulture, and hydroponics due to its excellent water retention, aeration, and nutrient holding capacity.
Peat moss is often mixed with other grow media to improve structure and performance. It works well with perlite, vermiculite, or cocopeat for seed starting or transplanting.
Together, they create a balanced medium for seed sowing, transplanting, or hydroponic growing.